Hello everyone, welcome to Chef Salim's Detailed Recipes channel. Some plump eggplants are what you need to make karnıyarık, a wonderful eggplant dish. Onion, low-fat ground beef is good, tomatoes and peppers for garnishing, garlic and spices, thyme, black pepper, red pepper powder, cumin and chili pepper, salt. Tomato paste. I'm starting to prepare the eggplants. I cut the stems of the eggplants a little from the tip with scissors without using a knife. I peel off the excess parts with a knife. And cut the ends with scissors. Let's speed up a little, okay? As you can see, this eggplant is bigger than the others. If you have such a big eggplant, you can cut it in half. Let's peel the eggplants immediately using a vegetable peeler. It will be black and white like this. Let's not let it be completely shellless. It is important that there is a little shell left so that it does not disperse. Eggplant is ready for 15 people. Now, while the eggplants are fried, I will start preparing the filling material. Let's fire the frying oil to get it hot. I add some more oil. By using such a closely woven strainer, I immediately remove the black dirt in the oil. Let's peel the onions while it heats up slowly. After cutting the onions in half, I chop them thinly. If there are larger onions, cut them into quarters and chop them that way. Let's speed up a little bit, the process is done. When the oil starts to smoke, I add the eggplants. Let's mix it up a bit, okay? While the eggplants are frying on this side, I will prepare a dipping sauce on the other side. I add a steel pot and add some water to the bottom. I added some water to prevent the tomato paste from sticking and burning. I add 3 spoons of tomato paste. I mix it a little with a mixing wire. The tomato paste should cook a little. I added some powdered pepper, and when it starts to stick, I immediately add boiling water. I added bechamel sauce to thicken it up a bit. I add salt and sugar. The eggplants are starting to fry and I stir them and turn the sides that are not fried. Yes, it will be just as delicious. This recipe is really delicious and everyone likes it. After the eggplants are fried, I transfer them to the tray, but make sure that the eggplants are cooked in very hot oil. Sometimes the outside of the eggplant may fry and the inside may remain hard and raw. We do not want this to happen. We removed the eggplants by removing excess oil. Our sauce boiled well. Now we add this red sauce to the bottom of all of them. We won't add too much, there will only be sauce on the base of the eggplants. Let's put the eggplants here. The order, one upside down and one straight, should be like this. Place them slightly apart. When you open the eggplants, they will get stuck. Make sure the eggplants lie there comfortably. Now I add the onions to a large pot and add the minced meat. I stir-fry the onion and minced meat without adding anything else. Since the eggplants are already fried in oil, you should avoid adding some oil. It should be a light dish, otherwise it may burn our stomach. Tasty. Now let's add the spices. I mix it well. I open the eggplants by slicing them open with a spoon. Using my hands, I open the eggplants wide. Let's speed up a little, okay? I slightly salt the insides of the eggplants. Now I fill the eggplants with the ingredients. Adding 3 spoons of minced meat will be enough. The ingredients are plentiful and satisfying. Now let's prepare the tomatoes and peppers to add to the eggplants. After cutting off the ends of the peppers, I remove the seeds by pressing them with my hand. I cut off the ends of the tomatoes, and after cutting the peppers in half, I divide them again into 4 pieces. This is how I slice tomatoes. It will be enough for me to add 2 pieces of tomato and a piece of pepper in the middle of each eggplant. I have a friend who doesn't eat eggplant. I think he was allergic to it, so I'm preparing a plate without eggplant. I add some more red sauce to the edges. Let's add some salt here. Okay, delicious, really delicious. Now the eggplants will go to the oven and I will bake them for 10 minutes until the tomatoes and peppers are golden brown. Rice pilaf is very compatible with the one that doesn't wake up. Let me mix the rice like this. It's okay. I also made lentil soup and added that too. Our menu is really diverse and there are many people who cannot find these delicious dishes. I really cannot eat much when I think about this situation. Eggplants are now out of the oven. I prepare a plate and add a bowl of tzatziki to that plate. Tzatziki or yogurt are compatible. I add rice and place it in a ladle like this. Let's put it in the stuffed eggplant here. Let's drop some red sauce on it. Okay. Let me cut the eggplant and you will see the water flowing inside, a delicious waterfall. Don't forget to click the like button and turn on the bell notification. See you again in a new video. Stay with love. Goodbye.